welcome back to AutoHedge. Thanks for checking out today's video. It's raining, it's nasty, but I'm still gonna do this install real quick because I like this product so much. It's called the SWITCHBACKs by LASFIT. If you've seen some of my other videos, you've probably seen my install on my 2016 F150, but I've had a lot of people reach out in the comments and ask to do some newer F150s. My dad got this brand new 2021 F150, so we're gonna throw these switchbacks on here and I'll go through the install step by step.
All right, so let's do a quick unboxing before we do the install. LASFIT always has really kind of nice packaging, really clean, has all the specs in the back, shows you like all the lumens and the color and the warranty. It's kind of nice that it shows that without even opening up the box yet. You always get stickers with LASFIT stuff. You get a white set and then a black set. And then you're also going to have a set of instructions. Instructions are always pretty good. But you don't need to worry about that because you're on my YouTube video right now. So you can throw that right back in the box. Then here is the light itself. You're going to have 3 little diodes on each side, 3 white, 3 yellow. And that's going to allow that bright 6,000 lumens of light to come down the road. Here's the little canvas. Look at the attention to detail. LASFIT etched into the metal there. Really cool touch. And then before you get the install going, just plug these in. Give it a good firm push. There's only one way those can go in, so you can't really mess it up. All right, and then you're just going to screw this little watertight seal cap. That's going to keep all the water out of the places that you don't want water, ensuring that these lights last a long time.
So the first thing you gotta do is just get back in your truck and turn the wheel all the way to the right. When you turn the wheel, it's gonna give you access to this area. Otherwise, this wheel is gonna be blocking your working space. So just turn that wheel opposite of where you're working, and that will give you access to these bolts we're gonna work on.
So if you're a Ford truck guy, you know that there's literally hundreds of different variations of the same truck. With this STX, I really only had to remove that second bolt to get to where I needed. If you have a version that has more of that like fabric liner, you're gonna have to remove all 3 of these bolts. So I just did it anyway. But this first bolt is completely superficial. It's not attached to anything. And then you'll see, I kind of just lifted up there. It's not attached to anything. And the second bolt above it is the one that I had to remove to get to what I needed to work on. But really, for me, this STX, that's the only bolt I had to remove. All right, so then you can see me just pull back the liner here. Plenty of room to work with, very easy to get to. I was going to pull the whole harness out, but then I decided just to remove the clip because it was easier. Very, very nice, easy access with these new F-150s. So I just pulled the clip and then removed it. You can see here, I just do a zoomed in version of an older video that I made. But you just push up that clip and remove it. Comes out nice and easy. And then it's just a matter of doing the reverse order for the install. You're going to put it in counterclockwise, then rotate it a quarter turn clockwise into that housing. It will be nice and snug. Clip it back in. And then you're going to see the canvas thing here, the arrow. You're going to put a zip tie through that hole, and you're going to hang it in like a perfectly designed little spot on this F-150. I swear it was made for it. There's a nice little hole in the plastic piece here, and I'll zoom in to show you guys. But I decided to hang it right there. I wouldn't recommend mounting it to anything. Hanging it is nice because it's not going to be like getting all the vibrations from the truck. So that's just a nice, really perfect spot for it right there. I just went back in and I cut the excess of the zip tie just for a cleaner install. And that's pretty much the end of the install. I just screw everything back in, and that's it. Just make sure the wheel well liner is nice and tight, and the bolts are back where they originally were. So these are the functions here. All you're going to do is press that fog light once to turn it on, and you'll automatically start with the white light. Hit it twice to activate the switchback feature to get that yellow light. And then same thing, off, on, you get the white light. and then off on again, and you'll get that yellow light. That's the switchback. Really cool. So the design of the F-150 is this fog light area is actually smaller than it usually is. So that's kind of why people are looking to get their fog lights upgraded on these 2021s. You'll see here with the upgraded LASFITs, much brighter. Just that white, bright LED is going to get a lot more light down the road. And it's just a nicer look overall. And then you're going to have the yellow switchback function. Yellow is much better in rain, fog, and snow because you're not getting that reflection back. All right, so let's cut to some night shots here. This is a poorly lit road, same road that I used for my 2016 video. Turn them on and boom, absolutely destroys the road with light. These are super, super bright. I was excited to put these on my dad's car because they're just one of my favorite products on my 2016 F-150. I get compliments all the time. I've been stopped by people saying, you know, how do I get that? Is it two lights? Is it one light? How does that work? It really blows people's minds when they can see, you know, two different colored lights from the same bulb, really. So it's really impressive, and it works too. It's not just a gimmick. That white light is crazy, crazy bright. And then you're going to want that yellow light for like really bad weather. And I can attest to this. It really does make a difference. I have the LASFIT pod lights and the fog lights, and it's a huge difference in really bad weather. You're able to see much further down the road without getting all that reflection back that you normally would with like a white LED. So it definitely serves a purpose, and it absolutely works. I can attest. I've been driving with my LASFIT fog lights, the switchbacks, for over a year now. And as you can see, like in the title of the video, this isn't just an install of the 2021 fog lights. This is a long-term review of the fog lights that I have on my 2016 F-150. And these are the exact same bulb design. There's literally no difference, the exact same light. So yeah, I can vouch for this company, and I can absolutely vouch for the lights. I've had them for over a year. I live in New England. They have salt, wet, water, grime, like everything that New England weather could throw at these. I've thrown at them, and they work perfect. Here's my F-150 here. It was cool to see these two trucks up close. You know, mine is now 2 generations back from the current gen, the 2021. And I gotta say, I think mine holds up. I've always said that the 2015 to 2017 style would kind of stand the test of time. And I gotta say, sitting next to the brand new one, I think it's holding up pretty good. I think they knocked it out of the park with that 2015 to 2017 style. With that being said, that 2021, the front definitely looks a little more modern, a little sleeker, and I'm definitely a fan of it. It's a very, very nice looking truck. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's your favorite generation F-150? If you guys want to get these, you can use the promo code AUTOHEADS at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. LASFIT was cool enough to hook up my viewers with a little discount, so put that into the checkout, and you'll get 10% off your entire order. Like I said before, guys, this is not my first experience with LASFIT, and it's not my first experience with their fog lights. I can say they are an incredible company. They're taking over the industry, and I would say they're miles ahead of most LED lighting companies out there. These switchbacks, you kind of want them to work. You don't want them to, you know, go from yellow to white when you don't want them to. So you want to kind of go big or go home with these, and LASFIT does not disappoint with their products. These have worked flawlessly for me in really, really rough, cold, wet conditions for over a year now with no problem. So take my word for it. They work really great, and I hope you guys check them out. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. And smash that like button if you found today's video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.